Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Dat, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So, come along with me in this journey of wealth. In this video, I want to do a check-in on my Questrade account and my Wealthsimple account for the month of March. In my February video, I decided to make a few purchases with my accounts, and this month I'll show you how they're doing. Questrade and Wealthsimple are the two main online brokerage companies in Canada. If you'd like to hear more content and videos about this topic, make sure you smash that like button. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I'll be doing a monthly update on these two accounts on what I'm doing. On my Questrade account, I decided to buy into NIO with stock ticker symbol NIO. Within the last month, the EV sector had a huge pullback, and that was one of the reasons I invested. On March 19th, 2021, Investor Place reported that US-China relations appear to be having issues. The Chinese government announced that it would restrict the use of Tesla vehicles by military staff and employees of state-owned companies. This is because they think that Tesla vehicles are using their cameras to spy on their intellectual property. Unsurprisingly, Tesla stock dropped on that news. However, investors in rival Chinese EV maker NIO saw stock rise more than 3% on the news. Now, based on 10 ranked analysts offering 12-month price targets for NIO in the last 3 months, the average price is $65.24, with a high estimate of $81 and a low estimate of $38.80. When I bought NIO last month, I bought in at $49.91. Today, it is worth $43.35. Therefore, I'm making a loss of $96.38. Very unfortunate that I haven't been making any money on this company. I'll be holding it for a while. Onto my Wealthsimple account, I decided to buy into Aurora Cannabis. Aurora Cannabis has a stock ticker symbol ACB. The emerging markets and marijuana has taken quite a blow. Aurora Cannabis just announced that it will try to unload one of the largest and most expensive greenhouse ever built to grow marijuana. Aurora has put 250 million Canadian dollars into this gigantic 1.7 million square foot complex in Medicine Hat. Based on 11 ranked analysts offering 12-month price targets for ACB in the last 3 months, the average price target is $12.20, with a high estimate of $18.50 and a low estimate of $7.80. Checking in on my Wealthsimple account, when I bought Aurora last month, I bought in at $12.77. Today, its worth is $12.70. Therefore, I'm making a loss of $2.45. I would call that breaking even. In conclusion, neither of these stock picks performed as good as I had hoped. I will need to keep holding and see what it does next month. For now, I will keep holding on to these stocks. Let me know if you like these picks. Make sure to let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below. If you like to continue to discuss my next stock pick or the current stock picks, join me in the Daddy Dat Facebook group. For now, let's wait and see what happens to these companies and whether or not it was worth it. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, Please leave a comment down below on what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Mondays and Thursdays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Dat saving you money. If you'd like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment down below on what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Mondays and Thursdays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Dat saving you money.